Alright, so syempre hindi tayo pwedeng pabagal-bagal kung hindi mauubusan tayo dahil sa napakagandang bagong phone na ito ng Asus. Ito ang Asus ROG Phone 6. Ayan, o, diba? Ang ganda. Anong unit nga po? Location nyo po. Global na ba yun? Manila, Santa Mesa? Yes po, hindi po kami nagre-release ng China Roam. Home credit ba, sir? Yes. Sun area nyo, sir, available na ba? Robinsons Mall, Ermita, Manila. How much? Yes po, available. Naka-day off ako now, sir. So, my God. So, ito yung presyo ng ROG. Ayan, no? ROG 6, 12 gig, 47,995 block. Down payment is 19,500. Monthly is 3,733 for 12 months. Ito yung ROG 6 na 16 gig naman, nasa 54,995. So 26,500 yung down payment. So monthly niya is 3,733 for 12 months. Unit price niyan 54,995, down payment 26,500. Monthly niya is 4,532 for 9 months. So not bad, 'di ba? So pag cash po merong discount. Ayun, yung down is cash okay. So syempre, dahil ito na po, ayoko ng kasi sa totoo lang, ayoko nung mga down payment, yung mga bayad-bayad, yung monthly installment, ayoko kasi nun kasi mahirap na po. Baka kumbaga maubusan ka ng budget ngayong susunod na linggo, susunod na buwan. Mahirap kasi yung ganun, kaya ito, yan, last month nga, kakabili ko lang nung Galaxy S22 Ultra, yan, para sa vlog syempre. So, hopefully, sir, limited, okay. And there you go. So, ikakas na lang natin to siguro, kaya naman. So, i-YouTube ko, ayan. Ayan, actually, meron na akong ROG, guys, na ROG 3 ba yun? Hindi ko alam yung yan yung nasa picture. Hello everyone, this is your Technology and Analytics Professor, Vincent Torre Bongolan. And I know you are asking yourself, you are wondering why there is no title on this video. To tell you honestly, I really don't know what to put in the title because I myself is, thinking what's the best description on this video. So instead of changing your channel, why not watch this video first? And before you let this pass on your feed, watch, listen, and comment down in the description of this video and let me know your thoughts about this. Alright, so I have multiple content or objectives today. That's the main reason why I can find any title on this video. Alright, so first, second, third, fourth, I really don't know. But here you go.
Okay, so quick unboxing muna tayo. Meron tayo ditong AR card. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung para saan yan. Meron tayong manual, hard case na maganda rin yung design, braided Type-C to Type-C cable, at yung 65-watt charger. Tapos kapag binuksan natin yung phone at binuksan natin itong AR card, merong hinandang konting aktibidad ang Asus para i-level up yung unboxing experience natin.
Alright, so one of the reasons why I did not put any title on this video is because I fully understand and was able to discover the artificial intelligence algorithm used by YouTube. Alright, so one of the reasons why I did not put any title on this video is that, first, my market is not only the Philippines but all around the world. That's why I tried my best to explain these contents in English and in Taglish. Alright, so the second is that one of the top 50 high earning videos are all related to unboxing. So that's why I am now going to unbox my new phone, and that is about the ROG Phone 6 Pro. Alright, so that's the reason. And you know the reason why some of the Filipino bloggers, that's why I really noticed that some of them are not into creating videos. It is because of the optimization of the YouTube channel. Alright, so there you go. This is the full review of this ROG Phone 6. And by the way, I bought this in Manila. Okay.
For years, Asus have arguably been the kings of a very specific niche in the smartphone industry, dedicated gaming phones. And this is their latest creation, the ROG Phone 6 Pro. So if these phones are supposedly the best around for mobile gaming, what has improved since last year? I'm Will for GSM Arena, and let's find out in our ROG Phone 6 Pro review. At this point, Asus and ROG have their gaming phone formula locked down. And like the previous couple of generations, the new one brings mostly incremental changes. Aesthetically, the ROG 6 Pro is slightly toned down compared to the past. You still get bold lines and geometric accents, but it's not so much in your face. The back is made of Gorilla Glass 3, which curves into the metal frame, and while the phone is on the heavy side, it's balanced and comfy in hand. The ROG Phone 6 Pro really stands out from the crowd thanks to a couple of neat features on the backside. First is the full-color ROG Vision display, which is programmable and can be set to light up depending on what is happening on the phone. There's also an RGB Dare to Play logo, which can also be set to light up based on certain conditions and supports a number of effects. The ROG phones are well known for their multiple ports for connectivity. Here you still get a traditional 3.5mm jack for headphones, and a new revamped side port as well, which is USB-C this time around. No fragile pogo pins like before. The side port can be used for charging the phone while gaming, data transfer, video out, or connectivity through a USB-C hub. Even with these ports, the 6 Pro is the first ROG phone to offer IP-rated water protection. It's just IPX4, so it would only stand up against light splashes, but it's still nice to have. The ROG 6 Pro brings back the ultrasonic triggers on the upper corners of the frame, which can be used as additional controls for your games. They're quite useful and versatile too, recognizing long presses, swipes, and slides. They're also really easy to map to on-screen controls through the overlay menu. And there are motion and gyroscope controls as well, which are an interesting alternative, and can potentially make for a more immersive experience. While we're talking about gaming controls, the ROG Phone 6 Pro is compatible with last year's Kunai Gamepad 3 as well. It's again quite simple to map on-screen controls to the joysticks and buttons, and then you have something that approaches a console experience. It could even give you an unfair advantage over other players. The controller is sold separately though. Unfortunately, Asus's tradition of releasing a wide variety of accessories for their new ROG phones has fallen by the wayside, and many of the older ones aren't compatible with the new phone. But you still get support for a few of them, including the controller, the Asus Professional Dock, the ROG Clip, which comes with the phone and allows you to connect to a console gaming controller, an Aero case, which also comes bundled, and a new Aeroactive cooling fan. We'll focus on the fan for now. It's the best one from Asus so far. It brings 4 omnidirectional trigger keys on the back for extra input, and it's much easier to install than last year's model. There's even a kickstand on it, so you can use it to prop the phone up. And it has RGB lighting too, of course, to look all the more impressive. The point of the fan is not just to keep your hands cool, though it does that as well. It chills down the phone's internals to improve performance and prevent overheating. It does this even better than the previous model because it has an additional thermoelectric cooling element inside. Overall, when it comes to these sort of peripherals for a smartphone, the new Aeroactive cooler is unmatched. It can operate in 4 different modes. Sure, the fan is loud, but it effectively unlocks the ROG 6 Pro's full performance potential. I'll take this opportunity to get into the performance overall. The ROG Phone 6 Pro packs the latest and greatest Android chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. According to ASUS numbers, this should result in about 10% better performance overall from the regular 8 Gen 1 you'd find in many of today's flagships. This is some of the best you can get on any phone right now. The ROG 6 Pro also brings a revamped internal architecture for improved cooling. In the default performance setting, even without the fan, the sustained performance is quite stable. It is at a level much lower than maximum though, to prioritize battery life. On top of that, this phone brings plenty of optimizations and ways to unlock even better performance. The simplest way is to turn on the High Performance X mode, which transforms the interface into what looks like a glowing, overdriven machine. There are many other performance profiles to choose from, but the X mode is the most powerful you can achieve without the cooling fan attached. And when it comes to benchmark scores, it's a marked improvement over the default mode. The phone maintains a higher performance level over time too.